247 back with another video. And we got a little car meet that we're going to be attending tonight. As you know, it's almost Halloween. Tomorrow's actually Halloween, so we're in Walmart right now doing some last minute shopping, trying to decorate the car. I'm going to pick up something for myself. Right now I'm just going over everything, trying to find something. We're going to do something a little different than we did last year, but something quick and easy. As soon as the kids get home, I'm going to have them decorate the car again. It's going to be the second year taking the silica out, but I'm pretty sure next year we're definitely going to have something different. So right now, I'm trying to find something that I can wear tonight. Anything. Make something work. See if we can pull it off. Have something better than last year. Definitely going to use some of this. Probably a mask. I don't know, but I gotta decorate the car some type of way. Should we put a skull in the back of the trunk? Candles. Yeah, I think that's gonna be dope right there. We did the bones last time. Alright, so I got everything. I just spent $70-some to decorate the car, which is crazy. But whatever I don't use, I'm definitely gonna take it back. That's just too much money. But about to head to the gym too. A little pre-workout. The time is currently 3:30. This event is about an hour away in Fredericksburg. Oh, this is not gonna be the first meet that's been held in Fredericksburg. It's actually been a lot. I just never go. So this is gonna be the first one. I don't think it's a trunk or treat. I don't think it's any kids. It's 7 to 10 o'clock, so we're gonna get there a little bit after 7, like we always do, and stay for about an hour and a half, hit or miss. See how things go. Hopefully we don't get trapped in like the last meet. And I apologize too, because I know it's been about 2 weeks, maybe 2 weeks since I posted an actual long video. So I'm about to pick back up on my content, taking some time off from the actual job. So we're definitely gonna be putting a lot of content. Updates on the other car. The Camry is ready to go. Just have to pick her back up. Still need an engine for the Mazda 3. I'm looking for an engine. I'm gonna put an engine in that, and then we're gonna pick that up. So one thing at a time. And I appreciate the support I've been getting on the channel. The channel's been going crazy. Like, if you've been with me from the beginning, you already know my goal was set last year around this time for 5,000 for this year. I wanted it. We crushed it. So right now, I think I got 14,000 subs. Every time I post a video, I'll be like, oh, I got 6,000. And by the time I post another video a week later, it's a whole nother 3,000 to 4,000. So I appreciate all the support. Y'all make sure y'all share the videos, y'all like, y'all comment, y'all blow it up. Keep doing what you do. So I appreciate it, love. But we about to hit the gym. Then I gotta get home, set the car up for tonight, and get shit done. So y'all stay tuned. All right, got me a quick little workout. Just getting back home from the gym. Just waiting for the kids to get here now. Then we're gonna do the same thing we did last year to the car, decorate it, make it look nice. Then we're gonna head out to the meet. It's 4 o'clock now, so I'm probably gonna leave out in another hour and a half, because it's an hour and 8-minute drive. So yeah, I'm gonna check the fluids on the car, make sure everything's straight, and then we're gonna head out, because that's a nice little drive to be worried about breaking down. But we never had no problems with the car for a long time. Ever since I did the rebuild and everything, it's been no problems whatsoever. But y'all gotta bear with me tonight, because as you seen in the last video, I had broke my lens to my camera. I'm waiting for my new lens to come in, and I got some other stuff that I'm adding to my camera. So the audio and the visual should be set up perfect for y'all. And as I'm talking right now, the kids is just pulling up. The bus just got here, so we about to hook this car up right now. Yeah, ain't no point of washing it, because by the time we get up there, it's gonna be extremely dark. So we're pretty much going to put the mask in the seat. I'm gonna show y'all what I picked up. Ain't no point in cleaning it off like that. So All right.
You gotta put the food in.
So I don't know if I want to show y'all the complete setup yet or just wait till I get there. But we about to decorate this car. You ready?
Yeah.
They about to get to work, so. About to hit the road in a second. Got my little outfit on and everything. I'm about to check the oil and everything. Like I said, it's an hour drive. We don't take this car too much, so I'm gonna make sure the fluids and everything situated. And me, y'all have any idea what I am? Huh? Any idea? Pimp Dracula. I don't have the teeth, but it's all good. Pimp Dracula. Y'all like the fit? Tell me in the comments if y'all like the fit. I had to come up with something. It's the quickest thing I could think of. But yeah, let's go have a good time. Alright, I know the audio is kind of probably drony from this loud ass car. Plus, we're still using the iPhone. Like I said, my lens broke on the camera. I don't have a microphone hooked up to this, so it's gonna be kind of drony. Let's see if we get pulled over. So we got an hour drive there, an hour drive back. We got blood all over the car. Hair hanging from the windows in the trunk, so if we can pull this off, yeah, because I'm definitely gonna get the car inspected soon, but still is that no inspection sticker on the car that's gonna get me every time. So, but let's see if we make it. We'll vibe here.
Minutes later.
A whole row of cars right in front of mine. So if I wanted to leave early, how the hell is that happen? Bullshit. It's all good. Let's see what's out here. I had to take a step away for a second. As you see, I'm stuck at this meet for sure this time. I wasn't expecting people to pull in and just park in front of me. So I'm definitely gonna have to stick this one out, which I really don't want to. Because like I said, it's an hour drive. This doesn't end until 10 o'clock. That means I won't get home until after 11 o'clock, which that wasn't my intentions for sure. I really didn't want to do that, but yeah, I'm just sitting in the car chilling. Ate. We took a whole bunch of pictures. About to pick top prize. Best Halloween costume.
Please come out, support, celebrate with us because this is what we do. Especially now we're trying to get that bread right now. Early Fridays ain't no joke. But anyway, so. But are they separate or together? Because some of y'all seem like y'all together. Okay, all right, so. Okay, so what? Do we want to get the kids up front? Let's get the kiddos up front here. Let's get the kiddos up front here. So that might be a little bit easier. Okay, if you are under 21, let's get you up front here. My under 21s right here. My under 21s. Okay. This is gonna be easy but hard at the same time because they are both cute and they're both beautiful. So, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, are we going to go on the left? Y'all better give it up. Y'all better give it up right now. Oh, we going on the right. We're going to Tyrannosaurus Rex. Oh man, this is too. Yeah. So you know what? I feel like that's a tie. Which y'all think? Y'all feel like that's a tie? That's a tie. Yes, that's absolutely. That is the tie, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for our kiddo participants right now. Okay.
Winner, chicken dinner.
All right. And the price is wrong. Where's Salazar? Oh, she picked up. Hold on. You got 1, 2. No. You got 3 more. 3 more. Don't go nowhere just yet. Next contestant right here. Wow, sir. You know what, sir? I hate to do that, sir. But you was less than him, sir. I'm so sorry. So let's give it up for the young lady right here. Okay. She gets to stay a little bit. Okay. Please, ma'am. Don't arrest me. I promise you, I haven't stolen anything since '97, but it's all good. Let's get up for lady count. Let's just go ahead and come out of here. All right. She's still in the running. Okay, Miss Lady, you are on deck next, please. She's still in there. Okay, we keep it moving right now. You sure, sir? You sure? Young lady, look like you'd be part of Fantastic Four. Let's go ahead and get out of here real quick. There you go. She's still in this thing. Next up, we got, I'm trying to figure out what I'm going real quick, but you still in there, man. Look, I feel like the applause is a little medium. What do we want to do, guys? Y'all make it real hard. Next up, let's give it up for, I don't even want to throw him out there for Chucky, but I feel like it's like Chucky's like brother on his uncle's side. But anyway, young lady, please. All right, you know what? I hate to do that time. Please, I'm so sorry. Can you take a walk with me real quick? Let's go to all this. So, and lastly, give it up for Doodle Bob. We already know what that is. You know what, man? I feel like, man, you could kill us if you just had that pencil, brother.
Alright, good news. So, we about to get the hell up out of here now. Still early, just like I wanted. So I didn't even stick around to see who won the costume contest, but we gotta get back to the house, so let's go. They about to cut up out here anyway, so get home, no ticket free again. What you think? Yeah, we'll make it back home. Alright, so we made it back home in one piece. That's pretty much gonna do it for this video. And like always, I appreciate y'all for watching another one. Make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe button, share with a friend, family member, whatever. But until next time, I'm out.